Imagine waking up and your legs don't remember how to walk. Your hand won't grip your toothbrush. Your eye sees static. That's not a bad day. That's multiple sclerosis. Sometimes your body communicates before the real struggle begins. These symptoms may come and go, but they're not random. Your nervous system may be trying to warn you. Multiple sclerosis is a chronic condition where the immune system mistakenly attacks the protective sheath, called myelin, that covers nerve fibers. This causes communication problems between your brain and the rest of your body. Over time, multiple sclerosis can lead to permanent nerve damage and disability, but its progression can be slowed if caught early. Its causes may be linked to genetics, environmental triggers, vitamin D deficiency, certain viral infections. There's no cure yet, but with early diagnosis, medication, and lifestyle changes, multiple sclerosis can be managed. This World Multiple Sclerosis Day, let's spread awareness, not fear. Listen to your body, talk to your doctor, because what you don't see still matters.